Let's create a CSV reader and writer in C language. Include necessary header files. Standard library for memory management. String functions for parsing. Define maximum line length and field count. Define structure for a single CSV row. Array of field strings. Number of fields in this row. Define structure for complete CSV data. Array of CSV rows. Current number of rows. Maximum allocated rows. Declare function prototypes. Create new CSV data structure. Allocate memory for data structure. Check if allocation succeeded. Initialize row count and capacity. Allocate initial rows array. Check row allocation success. Return created data structure. Free all CSV data memory. Return if data is null. Free each field in each row. Free fields array for each row. Free rows array and data structure. Parse a single CSV field from input line. Store starting position and length. Check if we reached end of line. Skip any leading white space. Check if field begins with quote. Skip opening quote character. Set current position for scanning. Calculate length of the field. Break if end of line reached. Handle quoted fields differently. Check for quote character. Handle escaped quote sequence. Break on comma or tomolite for unquoted. Increment length and position. Allocate memory for field string. Check allocation success. Copy field content with quote handling. Handle escape double quotes. Skip second quote character. Null terminate the field string. Update position for next field. Skip comma or only after field. Return parsed field string. Read CSV file into data structure. Open file for reading. Check if file opens successfully. Buffer for reading lines. Read file line by line. Remove trailing down-lined character. Skip empty lines in file. Check if we need more row capacity. Check reallocation success. Get pointer to current row. Allocate fields array for row. Initialize parsing position. Parse all fields in current line. Check field count limit. Store field in row array. Increment row count and line number. Close file and return success. Write CSV data to output file. Open file for writing. Check file creation success. Write each row to file. Write each field in current row. Check if field needs quoting. Field needs quotes if contains special chars. Write quoted field if needed. Escape quotes within field. Double quote for escape. Write unquoted field directly. Add comma between fields. End row with bondline. Close file and return success. Print CSV data to console. Print header with row count. Print each row with fields. Print each field in brackets. Add comma between fields. End row with non-high. Add new row with specified fields. Check if we need more capacity. Check reallocation success. Get pointer to new row. Allocate fields array. Copy each field string. Allocate memory for field. Copy field content. Increment row count. Remove row at specified index. Validate row index. Free memory for row to remove. Shift remaining rows up. Decrement row count. Write main function to test CSV handler. Print program header. Create CSV data structure. Check creation success. Test creating simple data. Add header row with column names. Add first data row. Add second data row. Add third data row. Print created data to console. Save data to CSV file. Check save success. Test reading from saved file. Create new data structure for reading. Read file and check success. Test modifying existing data. Add a new row to data. Remove second row from data. Print modified data structure. Save modified data to new file. Check save success. Pre-allocated memory. Print completion message. Save the file and exit the editor. Compile the CSV handler program. Run the program to test CSV operations. See sample data creation and display. Observe file reading and writing. Notice data modification operations. Let's check the created CSV files. List all files in current directory. Show contents of the first CSV file. Show contents of the modified CSV file. Count lines in each file for verification. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.